This is the chocolate man, the black Canadian in the Philippines. You want to know what it's like to have a nice time? Come to the Philippines. Beautiful woman, no drugs, huh?
Oh.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Beautiful woman, beautiful place.
Because this video right now where I'm making from, this is Kenya, Nyabohanse village, you know. First of all, I'm taking this opportunity, guys, to thank you, my viewers, all of you, wherever where you are watching this video from. It's depending by the time. I'm gonna say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, because you know, first of all, I want to give a special shout out to Jamaican-Canadian Barry. He's a good friend on me. He's a good friend. In fact, guys, I'm taking this opportunity to appreciate for what he has done in my life, because Jamaican-Canadian Barry is a good friend. He told me yesterday he's sitting in the river making a video, and he decided to be my counsel doctor, you know. So I'm taking this humble time to thank you, Jamaican-Canadian Barry, by coming into my life, and God bless you a million times from here. Jamaican-Canadian Barry, I know you are watching this video. God bless you a million times. And from Kenya, East Africa, here in Nyabohanse village, I want to assure you that we love you and we love all of our good viewers.